New inventory 2023 Chevy Traverse Braunability side entry, in-floor handicap wheelchair conversion, power side entry conversion, 5,300 miles. This thing is a one owner, clean Carfax, still under warranty until May of 2027. So you still got about 18 months of warranty left. Gorgeous, clean Carfax, one owner, Florida vehicle. This is a 2023 Chevy Traverse LT, leather, loaded, big screen, CarPlay, power in-floor side entry, handicap wheelchair conversion. It's really not much to say. It's in flawless condition all the way around. Laser straight down the sides. Gorgeous tires. 5,000 miles, like I said, clean Carfax, one owner, no accidents, no stories, no issues. Got your tie downs in the back, quick release front seats. You've got your in-floor power ramp and door system, rear footrest. It's never been used. You can operate the wheelchair ramp from the key fob, from the button here, from the button there, and also there is a button up in the center console. You got beautiful black leather rubber flooring, heated seats, big screen. This thing was over 95,000 new. Super deal. We have a great deal on this thing. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. We are an authorized Braunability service center and dealer. We sell these new and used. We can ship anywhere in the world. Give us a call if you have any questions or concerns. 954-561-2499. Gorgeous 2023 Chevy Traverse, clean Carfax. Beautiful one owner. It's a local vehicle. No issues whatsoever. It's ready to go. Full factory warranty. No accidents, non-smoker. There's nothing really to point out. It's just like a brand new one. You could save a ton with this deal here. It's got the lighted runway. Again, everything's still under warranty with Braunability and the full factory warranty on the chassis as well. So nothing to worry about here. Truck is in amazing shape. It's a good alternative to a minivan. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We're about to be in our 49th year of business. Yes, that's 49 years in business. Boca Raton, Florida. Give us a call, give us a like, give us a follow. Buy and sell new and used handicap, wheelchair conversion vans, specialty vehicles. We take anything in trade. We have great financing options available. Just let us know how we can help. Gorgeous power lift gate, fully loaded LT model, comes with all the window stickers from new. Got storage back here. I mean, this is a great option if you don't want a minivan. Fully loaded out. Beautiful color. Ask for Jeff or Ken. 954-561-2499. We'll take anything in trade. It does not have to be a handicap van or a conversion van. We are very competitive and aggressive with our trade-in prices, so we're a one-stop shop. We can have this delivered right to your doorstep. If you need financing, we can help you with that. So 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Supreme Motors and Mobility. If you need any help with any docking stations, Q-locks, hand controls, transfer seats, any seating options, you just let us know. We can get those installed for you as well. Just reach out to us. Thank you.